Today I'm going to be doing a spring-inspired Dutch pour on a circular canvas with a split base. So I'm using Prussian Blue by Amsterdam on a portion of the canvas, and I'll use titanium white as the base on the rest of the canvas. By the way, you can find the exact paint colors and the ratios all listed in the description box, along with links to all the other supplies that I'm using too. I'm popping the air bubbles using a heat gun. I always enjoy watching the, the bubbles pop. Okay, let's add the different colors. So this is Aqua Green by artist Loft. Primary Yellow by Amsterdam. Rose Pink by Liquitex Basics. "24-Karat Gold" by Deco Art. It's their Extreme Sheen metallic paint. And Primary Magenta by Amsterdam. Quickly moving the bottles out of the way. Popping some of those air bubbles again. I'm blowing the blue and the white over the colors a bit because I want them to mix with the other colors a little bit. Well, that didn't really mix the colors, but that's okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and blow this out as is using the lowest setting on this little hair dryer. I'd like a bit more color on this side, so I'm adding the same colors that we used earlier. I'm adding a bit more white and a bit more blue too, just to help move the colors around when I blow this out. I'm not a fan of all that pink, so I'm blowing a bit of blue over it. I don't like the composition of this piece at the moment. So I think I'm just going to keep fiddling around with it a bit and see what happens. Adding some details with the back of a paintbrush. I think I need to get rid of this section here. I'm removing this section to adding some nice clean blue back over here. And I'm just going to keep playing around a bit. If you do a Dutch pour and feel like you need to change it a bit, it didn't turn out quite the way you were hoping, you do have plenty of time to work on it. I was playing around with this one for about an hour and the paint was still nice and wet. I just sped up the video so that you didn't need to watch me for an hour. But you do have a good amount of time to kind of fiddle around with it once you've blown it out. By the way, I'm really sorry that I haven't been posting on my regular 2-weekly schedule. So my goal is to get back on track. I've just been so busy. I really hate to make excuses, so I'm sorry. And my plan is to get back to posting once every 2 weeks. So just letting you know. Okay, I think I'll stop there. Let's see what it looks like from close up. This painting is giving me kind of spring and floral vibes. I'd love to know what you think. Please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.